There are several ways you can organize your contacts in your account to make sure that you're sending the right message to the right audience. In this short video, we'll go over the differences between email lists and contact segments. Email lists are used to group your contacts however makes sense for your business. For example, if you're a restaurant, you might have separate email lists for each of your locations, a list for your catering clients, and another for contacts who signed up to receive special promotions and discounts. Or if you're a nonprofit, you could have one list for your donors, one for volunteers, and another for event attendees. Contacts can be added to different lists either by you when you upload email addresses into your account, or you can let new contacts join the list they want when they subscribe through your web sign-up form. Segments are used to create even more customized groups of contacts. You set the criteria and filter your contacts based on any combination, including their engagement with your emails, the email lists they're currently on, and any personal details you've collected from them. For example, you can create a segment of contacts who have not opened any of your last 5 emails, are on your promotional email list, and are in the city of Boston, to re-engage those customers with a location-specific coupon. While email lists are static, meaning once contacts are added to the list, they remain there unless you manually move them, or they take action to unsubscribe themselves, segments, on the other hand, are dynamic. This means contacts are automatically added to the segment as they qualify and removed if they no longer meet the criteria. So while a segment appears to be a list, it doesn't display on your contacts page with the rest of your email lists. However, when you go to send your email, you'll have the option to either select from your regular email lists or choose one of the segments you've created. And segments are automatically refreshed at the time you send your email to ensure only the contacts who meet the criteria at that time will receive it. Keep in mind that only emails created in the 3rd generation editor can be sent to a segment. Check out some of the other exclusive features only available in our 3rd generation editor. You can also choose to add your segment to an email list if you want to make sure you're sending your email to all the right people. Now that you understand the difference between lists and segments, you can determine how best to get your emails to the right people.